In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and set up crude oil charts on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just exploring the markets, understanding how to efficiently navigate TradingView is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that you are logged into your TradingView account. If you're not already on the homepage, simply navigate to it so we can start by opening a chart for your desired market. Now, this may seem like a basic step, but it's essential to get it right because the effectiveness of TradingView relies on the accuracy and precision with which you select your market. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Next, let's move on to accessing the symbol search feature. You'll typically find the symbol search bar located prominently at the top or along the left side of your TradingView interface. The position might vary slightly depending on your specific layout, but it's generally easy to spot. Clicking on this bar will allow you to enter the market symbols you're interested in, and this is where accessing crude oil-related instruments comes into play. Type crude oil into the search bar. Now you could simply enter those words, or if you have a specific crude oil type in mind, like WTI, which stands for West Texas Intermediate, or Brent, you can type those. Each variant plays a crucial role in the global market, so selecting the one you align with is important. As you type, you'll see a list of related instruments appearing. It's time to select a specific product to focus on. Here, it's important to understand what each option represents. If you're interested in speculating on price movements without necessarily owning the underlying asset, you might opt for CFDs or contract for difference. For instance, you might see tickers like US Oil if you're looking at WTI CFDs. Alternatively, if you're looking at actual physical trades with specific delivery dates, then futures contracts could be the right choice for you. You will find symbols such as CL, which represents NYMEX light crude oil futures. Lastly, for those who prefer a diversified approach and wish to track crude oil prices without getting into direct contracts or speculations, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, present a great option. These funds are available for charting, offering a different perspective on crude oil price movements. And there you have it. These steps will guide you to effectively set up and explore crude oil charts on TradingView. Understanding the nature of each instrument will empower you to make informed decisions tailored to your trading preferences. Remember, the better you understand your tools and the markets, the more strategic and effective your trading can become. Feel free to revisit these steps as needed until you're comfortable navigating through these features. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!